Hey, it's time for a supplement of the day post. So today I'm going to talk about diamine oxidase. This is a supplement that we used with a client today, and it's an enzyme that is naturally produced in your gut to degrade histamine. It is called diamine oxidase, but usually it's called DAO by most people. So um, the most often situation where we'll need this will be if someone has gut health problems, they have dysbiosis, they have a degraded production of DAO in their gut. And what that will cause to happen is because they don't have enough DAO, they can't break down histamine, they'll have reactions to high histamine foods. There's a lot of nuance to high histamine foods, but some common high histamine foods include like fermented foods, dried foods, aged foods, leftovers. Those are the most common classes of high histamine foods. Reactions can be digestive, but the big thing that kind of sets this apart is usually it won't be just digestive symptoms. It'll also be like allergy type symptoms. So it might be headaches, it might be skin rashes, it might be sneezing, it might be a runny nose. Another thing that we'll sometimes see is more upper gut reactivity, so things like reflux, because it can cause like differences in terms of like the contractility of the esophagus. So when the symptoms are not fully GI and they're more immune also, but seemingly reacted to food, it's often a histamine intolerance. And so if we'll give DAO with meals, but usually it's not meant to be forever. That's a common mistake we'll see of people that kind of come as new patients. They're just taking DAO forever. First of all, DAO is pretty expensive. Second of all, if you have gut health imbalances or dysbiosis, it's causing health problems beyond just this histamine intolerance. And a low histamine diet isn't that healthy long term. So it's good to use DAO as a little bit of an experiment. Sometimes we'll use it in combination with a low histamine diet to do like a diagnostic on somebody and say, okay, aggressively do low histamine with DAO for 1 to 2 weeks and see if you feel a big difference. And if so, you're histamine intolerant. And then let's work on your gut. Or we might just use it as a bridge. If we know we already need to work on somebody's gut, we'll use the DAO to kind of make them feel better for the time being while they work on their gut, but not forever. So hopefully that helps. And send us a little reply and let us know what other supplements you want to hear more about. Thanks.